Give me two. This is table saw. I'm gonna get y'all to give me some momentum, and I'm trying to hit a particular mark within a few inches. Give me three. Give me two more. Big hit. Do not fall out, dude. Another day in the office.